Hi, my name is Matt Sweetwood, and I am the CEO of Greener Process Systems. I'm happy today to share our presentation with you. Greener Process Systems has developed a revolutionary modular system to capture maritime and industrial emissions. Currently, the cost of capturing emissions per emitted ton is over $1,000. And most of the systems which capture emissions are ineffective or inefficient. In ports, in particular, 70% of the pollution in nearby cities is caused by stationing ships docked in port. On average, one large ocean-going ship emits the equivalent of more than 20,000 cars, not equipped with catalytic converters. Air pollution is a worldwide catastrophic health and environmental problem. At Greener Process Systems, we have the first of its kind system, which will actually bring the cost of emissions capture down below $100 per emitted ton. Our system, our maritime system, can be placed on a barge or on a rail on the dock, and it creates a hermetic seal with the smokestacks of a ship docked in port. Our system is designed to fit essentially any ship with any size smokestack. The system on a rail can go up to even greater heights, handling multiple smokestacks, even for ships such as cruise ships. The system maintains the heat of the exhaust and filters the exhaust down into a dry powder capturing NOx, SOx, diesel particulate, and heavy metals, and is 98% effective at doing so. The end result, dry powder, can be recycled or simply carted off. Our business model allows us to engineer and manufacture systems and sell them to institutions that offer them as a paid service or sell them to final operators, such as port or port operators, or in industries such as a glass factory, food factory, etc. Currently, we have a $10 million purchase order to install 3 of our SET systems, our emissions capture systems, in Europe, funded by the Green Ports Initiative. We have opened a subsidiary company and lab in Europe, and favorable regulations in ports all over the world are requiring air pollution mitigation regulations, forcing the use of systems like ours. We view the market size for the industrial sector at $4 billion, and we view for ports at $27 billion, meaning that if we capture a relatively small amount of ports, which we've already begun to do, we'll be a several $100 million company within a few years. Our management team is highly experienced. I've had many exits myself, successful business exits, and our 2 engineers, including our founder's chief engineer, Enrico Festa, has had 35 years in environmental engineering, and our CEO, Maurizio Festa, has patents to his name and has degrees in mechanical and aeronautical engineer. Thank you for listening today, and I hope that you will help us make the world a cleaner and greener place. Thank you again for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.